Golden fluffy pancakes start with the cooking surface at home. The best electric griddle for pancakes delivers even heat, spacious cooking, and consistent browning, helping you cook batches faster, control temperature precisely, and achieve cafe-quality results every morning without hassle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Presto 22-inch electric griddle. The Presto 22-inch electric griddle stands out as a dependable choice for anyone serious about making consistently perfect pancakes at home. Its expansive 22-inch cooking surface gives you the freedom to cook multiple pancakes simultaneously, making it ideal for families or anyone who prefers efficient batch cooking. The heavy cast aluminum base ensures durability and resists warping even under frequent high-temperature use, which is critical for maintaining even heat distribution across the entire surface. One of its most notable features is the Control Master heat control system, which automatically regulates temperature to keep your pancakes evenly ground without constant adjustments. This level of precision significantly reduces the chances of burning or undercooking. The PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating performs exceptionally well, allowing batter to spread smoothly and flip effortlessly, while also simplifying cleanup. Another practical advantage is the removable handles, which make storage far easier, especially in kitchens with limited cabinet space. The slide-out drip tray is a thoughtful addition, collecting excess grease and keeping your cooking area tidy. Overall, this griddle balances size, performance, and convenience, making it a reliable workhorse for breakfast preparation. Number 2. Bella Copper Electric Griddle. The Bella Copper Electric Griddle combines performance with a sleek modern design, making it a practical addition to any kitchen focused on efficient pancake preparation. Powered by a 1500-watt heating system, it heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, which is essential for achieving evenly cooked pancakes with a golden finish. The extra-large cooking surface allows you to prepare multiple servings at once, reducing cooking time during busy mornings. Its standout feature is the titanium-reinforced ceramic non-stick coating, which is significantly more durable than standard coatings and offers excellent food release. This means your pancakes lift cleanly without sticking, preserving their shape and texture. The inclusion of cool touch handles enhances safety, while the built-in ledge with a backstop is particularly useful when flipping pancakes, preventing spills and making the process smoother. The removable probe with an adjustable dial provides precise temperature control, giving you flexibility across different recipes. Additionally, the coating is free from harmful substances like lead and cadmium, aligning with safer cooking practices. Number 3. SENSCHEF 1700-watt electric griddle. The SENSCHEF 1700-watt electric griddle is built for performance-driven users who want speed, efficiency, and advanced design features in one appliance. Its powerful 1700-watt heating system ensures rapid preheating and consistent heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, which is crucial for producing evenly cooked pancakes without hot or cold spots. The 20-inch x 10.5-inch cooking area provides ample space to prepare a full breakfast in one go, making it ideal for larger households or entertaining guests. A unique feature is the foldable anti-mess grease shield, which helps minimize splatter and keeps your kitchen cleaner during cooking. This is particularly useful when preparing foods like bacon alongside pancakes. The Swiss iLag non-stick coating delivers excellent release performance while being PFOA-free, ensuring both convenience and safety. Cleaning is further simplified by the dishwasher-safe removable plate and drip tray, saving time after meals. The sturdy four-corner support system adds stability, preventing unwanted movement during use, while the raised, heat-reflective base protects countertops from heat damage. Number 4. Deluxe Electric Griddle. The Deluxe Electric Griddle offers a well-balanced combination of simplicity, versatility, and reliable performance, making it a strong option for everyday pancake cooking. With a 20-inch by 10.5-inch cooking surface, it provides enough space to prepare multiple pancakes at once, which is particularly useful for families or multitasking in the kitchen.
The heating probe allows for precise temperature control, ensuring that your pancakes cook evenly without constant monitoring. Its PFOA-free non-stick surface performs effectively, allowing batter to spread evenly and pancakes to flip effortlessly without sticking. This contributes to both better cooking results and easier cleanup. The removable cooking plate is dishwasher safe, which adds convenience for users who prefer low-maintenance appliances. Additionally, the heat-resistant drip tray efficiently captures excess grease, keeping your cooking area clean and organized. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, it excels in delivering consistent results with minimal complexity. The Griddle's versatility also allows it to handle a variety of foods beyond pancakes, including eggs, burgers, and quesadillas. Overall, the Deluxe electric griddle is a practical, user-friendly choice for those who want dependable performance without unnecessary complications.
Number 5. Martha Stewart Electric Griddle. The Martha Stewart Electric Griddle is designed to deliver a premium cooking experience with a focus on both performance and convenience. Its extra-large 22 by 12-inch cooking surface provides ample room to prepare multiple pancakes or a full breakfast spread simultaneously, making it ideal for households that value efficiency. The embedded heating element ensures rapid and even heat distribution, which is essential for achieving consistent results across the entire surface. This feature minimizes temperature fluctuations, allowing for perfectly cooked pancakes every time. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating offers excellent food release, ensuring that pancakes maintain their shape and texture while also making cleanup straightforward. The adjustable dial provides precise temperature control, enabling users to tailor heat settings to different recipes with ease. Another notable advantage is its dishwasher-safe design, as both the griddle plate and drip tray can be cleaned quickly after use. The removable drip tray effectively collects excess grease, maintaining a cleaner cooking environment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.